am Mr. Bhalirav sir, and as usual I welcome to you in my channel, that is English for Learners. Friends, today we are going to learn, wow, what a beautiful moon night it is. The stars are shining in the sky. The whole landscape is gleaming with silvery light. Wow. Yes, friends, today we are going to learn one of the best poem, that is Silver. The name of the poem is Silver, written by Walter de la Mare. First of all, listen the audio of this poem. The name of the poem is Silver, written by Walter de la Mare. Slowly, silently, now the moon walks the night in her silver shone. This way and that she peers and sees silver fruit upon silver trees. One by one the casements catch her beams beneath the silver thatch. Couched in his kennel like a log, with paws of silver sleeps the dog. From their shadowy coat the white breast peep of dove in silver feathered sleep. A harvest mouse goes scampering by, with silver claws and silver eye. And moveless fish in the water gleam by silver reeds in a silver stream. In this poem, Silver, the poet Walter de la Mare describes the visible effects of moonlight on countryside at night. As the moon walks silently over the human settlements, below everything turns silver. Let's see the explanation in detail. First two lines. Slowly, silently, now the moon walks the night in her silver shone. In this poem, the poet has compared the moon with a beautiful woman. In these lines, the poet says that the moon in her silver shoes walks through the night slowly and silently. Silver shone is the silvery brightness of the moon. Moonlight sheds a silvery light. Next two lines. This way and that she peers and sees silver fruit upon silver trees. Explanation. The moon walks this way and that way. She means moon. Looks and sees silver fruit upon silver trees. Here the poet says to the moon as a she. The moon is personified, so poetic device personification figures of speech is used here. Means the moon moves over the trees, making them appear silver. Are the fruits really silvery? No. When the stars appears through the branches of trees, it appears as if the trees has silver fruits. Next two lines. One by one the casements catch her beams beneath the silver thatch. Casement means windows that can be opened by. Catch beam means get a glow, and thatch means roof made of grass or leaves. Explanation. The windows under the silvery roof catch the moonbeams one by one. Now question arises here, why don't the casements catch the moonbeams all at once? Because the moon sheds its beams into casements only when it passes by each casement, and therefore casements can't catch the moonlight all at the same time. In short, we can say that the silver beams of moon is reflecting on the window. Next two lines. Couched in his kennel like a log, with paws of silver sleeps the dog. Difficult words. Couch means the way a dog sits. Kennel means the small house for a dog. And log means a piece of wood or timber. And paws means forearms of a dog. Explanation. The paws of the dog are also silver, and he lays asleep like a log in his kennel, in his house. That means we can say that inside the kennel means dog house, the dog is lying down like a log. Only the dog's paws are silver because the rest of the dog's body is within the kennel. In short, we can say it is also reflecting of the sleeping dog's paws in the doghouse. Next two lines. From their showy coat, the white breast peep of dove in silver feathered sleep. Words. Coat means a shelter for birds such as pigeons. Showy means under shadow. White breast means birds with white feathers in their front or chest or breast. Explanation. The doves are sleeping with their silver feathers, and the white breast peep or shows from the shadowy coat. Means the feathers of the doves reflect the silvery light of the moonbeams. Next two lines. A harvest mouse goes scampering by with silver claws and silver eyes. Difficult words. Harvest mouse means a breed of small rat found in fields of cereals. Scamper means run with quick and short steps. And claws means the curved, pointed, horny nails of animals or birds. Explanation. A harvest mouse is running with quick, short steps nearby with its silver claws and silver eye. That means, in short, we can say that the silvery light is also reflecting on harvest mouse's claws and eyes, which is running. Next lines. And moveless fish in the water gleam by silver reeds in a silver stream. Words. Moveless means motionless, still. Gleam means shine. And reed means riverside plants or grass. Explanation. And the motionless fish in the water shine by the side of silver reed, or that reed means that type of all grass like plants and grow in wet places in a silver stream. Even the stream in which the fish reside looks as if it is silver. The reeds or that grass by the side of the stream are not different. That means it is also shining like a silvery. In short, we can say that the motionless fish and water of a stream turn silver by the moonlight. So friends, in this poem, the only movements are those of the slow moon and the creek mouse. But the silver is not even skin deep. The repetition of the soft consonant I, M, S, V reminds us that the scene is full of sleeping life. Friends, I know you might have liked this video. If you liked it, please share it. If you have any suggestions for me, please write in comment box. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Wish you a good day. Thank you very much.